Welcome! In this video we will introduce you to the Creo Add-On application SF WALLCHECK for Creo, which improves the data quality of your CAD data through the automated check of wall thicknesses and clearances between parts in your Creo models. Using SF WALLCHECK, you can perform fully automated checks of critical areas of a CAD model wherever wall thicknesses are specified in the model. Furthermore, you can conduct distance and clearance checks to detect collisions between components, parts, and groups of components. With these functionalities, WALLCHECK helps you with guaranteeing and documenting compliance of your CAD data to design standards already in the early stage of product development. For a seamless user experience, SF WALLCHECK is fully integrated in the Analysis section of the Creo user interface. When conducting a check, the add-on will display the check results as a color code right in the 3D model. In addition, a printable check report can be exported in a PDF file, which also includes screenshots of the check results. SF WALLCHECK is suitable for solid and surface models, as well as for import geometries. Furthermore, the automation level can be further improved by running WALLCHECK in batch mode to automatically process multiple models. Allowing for an automated check in the early design stages, SF WALLCHECK can avoid expensive data corrections in downstream processes, while an integrated configuration wizard allows for easy operation. Following Guideline 4955 of the German Association of the Automotive Industry, WALLCHECK meets all product data quality requirements of the automotive industry. Like all SF automation add-ons, WALLCHECK is easy to use through the well-known Creo user interface. After starting WALLCHECK, just a few parameters have to be set. For example, if you want to check for thin or thick regions or both, and a test point distance has to be selected. Once this is done, the WALLCHECK will run automatically. Upon completion of the check, a result list will be displayed. You can order this list by the different parameters. The results will also be marked in the 3D model. To improve the visibility of the markings, the model can be made transparent, and by double-clicking on one of the results in the result list, you can zoom into the model for a detailed view. By right-clicking on one of the list items, you can also define the class of the result and mark it as an error or as OK, for example. Once all items are marked according to your preferences, you can automatically create a PDF report for the documentation of a WALLCHECK. The report contains a list of the number of elements in each class, and a detailed view of all the check results. In case a certain view doesn't show the results properly, for example when the result is hidden behind another part of the model, you can also create a new view manually by moving the model in the right position, right-clicking on the element in the list and selecting Store View. Another feature of SF WALLCHECK is distance check to calculate clearances in your assemblies. Along with setting a few parameters, you have to select the parts of the assembly you want to check before the check is conducted automatically. In the result list, you will be able to see the results which are marked as clearances or collisions. This was a brief overview over the benefits of SF WALLCHECK. Thank you for your interest in this product. If you have any further questions about SF WALLCHECK or our other products, visit our website sf.com or feel free to contact us at info@sf.com or via phone.